Students, I promised you that we are going to come up with a feature in our question bank which would help you focus more on the right level questions, the kind of questions which you can expect in NEET. So what we did, I quickly wanted to explain to you. This feature is right now available on the website. It would be available on our Android app after 3-4 days because it takes some time to code that thing in the Android app. So the first thing that we did was we looked at NEET 2019. We looked at NEET 2019 and NEET 2020. So what happens is a lot of people come on our platform on the day of the exam, attempt the paper, fill their choices, and we are able to predict the cutoff based on that. On the day of the exam, around 8 to 10,000 students do this, right? What we found out was, you know that the cutoff in 2019 was 585 and in 2020 it was 614. This cutoff means you will get a government college seat from All India Counselling in general category for 585 in 2019 and 614 in 2020. It would then start varying based on category and whether it is from state quota or All India quota, all those things would change. But this is based on general category All India Counselling. And what we saw was 149 questions, more than 53% students got correct, and 156 questions, more than 55% students got correct. What this means is, if you can get those questions correct, which are greater than 50%, more than 50% students got them right. If you are also able to get them right, your preparation is at the level of getting selected in a government medical college. Your preparation is at the level of getting selected in the government medical college. So this is the first thing that we found out from the data. The other thing that happens is on our platform daily 2 to 3 lakh questions get attempted, and this has been happening for last 3.5 years. We have around 20-25,000 questions on our platform. Every day a lot of students attempt it, so every question we are able to generate a lot of data. So we have been able to mark on every question whether what is the percentage of students who got it correct. So what this means is we have marked this percentage against each question. I will show you on the website. And to hit government college cutoff, you have to get 50% questions right. The questions which are above 50%, you should get them right. That will tell you whether your preparation is at the level of NEET or not. I'm not saying if you are getting questions which are marked above 50% right, that means you are a genius in the subject of physics, chemistry, biology. No. What this means is your preparation is at the level of NEET. This is what we have done. So if you go to neetprep.com, right? So for example, this question says 68% of the students got it right, but this is not from NCERT. You can ignore it. Suffix phyta indicate this is not from NCERT. Percentage is also not given. What that means is this is below 50%. If you have limited time, you can ignore a question like this, right? 2 or more species occupying same or overlapping areas are, again, NCERT reference is not given and percentage is not given. But look at this question, an attribute found in plants but not in animals. 68% students got it right, and this is from NCERT, right? So these are the kind of questions which you should not miss, where NCERT is given and percentage is given. Percentage would not be given on those questions which are less than 50% so that you are able to focus your preparation. So hopefully now you understand what we have done. This is available on the website right now. It is not available on the app right now. On the app, it would be available in 3-4 days. But hopefully you have been able to understand. What I'm telling you is this, 2 things. First, to know your NEET preparation level, you need to check whether you are getting greater than 50% questions right, where it is marked greater than 50%. Second thing is, just focus on chapters you find difficult. On chapters you find difficult. Only on greater than 50% questions, because ultimately we are preparing for NEET. NTA has communicated what kind of level is going to be there in NEET exam, because of data we have been able to provide this marking so that you can focus on what you can expect in the NEET exam. So hopefully students, tell me in the comment section, do you find this feature useful, and are you have you understood what I've told you in this video? If you have not understood anything, tell me in the comment section and I would be able to answer that question. If it requires any follow-up video to explain it better, I will do that. All right students.